In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best cordless drills available today. Whether you're tackling home improvement projects or working on the job site, these drills offer the perfect combination of power, versatility, and ease of use. Let's dive into the best options for your needs. Item number 5. This heavy-duty cordless drill is designed to deliver outstanding performance with up to 25 newton-meters of torque and 450 RPM speed. Featuring a powerful 5,000 mAh Lithium-Ion battery, it offers longer runtime and more power. The 1/2-inch keyless chuck makes bit changes easy, while the 25+3 torque settings and dual speed control ensure versatility for various tasks. The ergonomic grip provides comfort, and the built-in LED light illuminates dark spaces. With a 3-in-1 trigger switch for forward-reverse driving and safe locking, this drill is perfect for all your drilling needs. Item number 4. This 20-volt cordless power drill set is perfect for drilling in wood, metal, ceramics, and plastic, as well as driving and loosening screws. It features 2 variable speeds, 0 to 350, 1350 RPM, and 18+1 torque settings for versatile use. The lightweight design, only 2.5 pounds, makes it easy to carry and use, especially for women. The set includes a 20-volt drill, 1.5 Ah battery, charger, multiple drill bits, screwdriver bits, nut drivers, and a magnetic bit holder, a complete, easy-to-use kit for all your drilling needs. Item number 3. This 21-volt cordless drill is a powerful tool with a maximum torque of 200 newton-meters for tough applications. Featuring 2 variable speeds, 0 to 400 RPM and 1400 RPM, and a 25+1 torque setting, it ensures precision for various tasks. It has a 0.8 10mm chuck and can drill up to 23mm in wood and 8mm in steel. With a 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery, it offers about 1.2 hours of working time, and the battery charges fully in just 1.5 hours, making it efficient for your DIY or professional projects. Item number 2. The DeWalt 18-volt brushless hammer drill offers superior performance, delivering up to 40% more UWO compared to the DCD 796B. It features a 1/2-inch metal ratcheting chuck for high bit retention and a high-speed transmission with 2 speed settings, 0650 to 2000 RPM for precision control. The adjustable LED light with a spotlight mode provides up to 70 lumens, perfect for working in dark areas. Additionally, it includes Tool Connect compatibility for efficient asset management, making it an ideal choice for tough jobs. Item number 1. This 21-volt cordless drill driver features a white plastic body, rubber handle, and durable tungsten steel spinning shaft with an aluminum head. It offers 2 speed settings, 0 to 400 RPM and 1400 RPM, and a maximum drilling capacity of 10 mm for metal and 23 mm for wood. With 45 newton-meters torque, 25+1 torque settings, and a keyless chuck, 0.8 to 10 mm, it weighs just 1.55 kilograms and comes with a 1500 mAh lithium battery, ensuring efficient power for your projects.